If you're experiencing the waiting for message issue in Facebook Messenger on your iOS device in 2024, you're not alone. This error can prevent you from sending or receiving messages, but there are a couple ways that you can take to resolve the issue. Here is a comprehensive guide to help you fix it. So first of all, swipe down to check on your internet connection. Ensure that your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data network. Open Safari or any other app to test if your internet, if you're not confident about your internet, to double check if your internet speed is great or good or average at least, so you can send and receive messages. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna just go back to our screen. Another way to fix it, you can just go ahead to the settings, go to the general, and then go ahead to the iPhone storage. Right now what we're gonna do, we're gonna just scroll a little bit down to try to pin down Messenger. Right, I'm gonna click Messenger right here, and then basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna restart the Messenger or upload the app. And by uploading the app, you're gonna release some of the unnecessary data or files with your with having your information, your private information, your login, your passwords intact. All right, if you're still facing that same issue, what you're gonna do, you gotta just go back to your screen and then go ahead to your App Store or Google Play, and then just type right here Messenger. Right, and you gotta double check if your Messenger needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. The last thing, if you still having the same issue, go ahead to the settings again, general, and then software update, and make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version. Okay, so let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.